Claude is not better at code than ChatGPT, but it is better at specific things. First, Claude's reasoning. On HumanEval benchmark coding problems, Claude Opus 4.6 scores 88.7%. GPT-4o scores 90.2%. But Claude's code is often more readable and includes better comments. ChatGPT is faster to write, but sometimes less robust. Second, refactoring and legacy code. Ask Claude to refactor a mess of spaghetti code. Claude reads the entire function, understands the intent, and rewrites it cleanly. ChatGPT can do this too, but Claude often produces more elegant solutions. Why Claude thinks before writing? It takes time, but the output is stronger. Third, security and edge cases. Ask Claude to review code for vulnerabilities. Claude catches edge cases. ChatGPT misses SQL injection vulnerabilities, OFB1 errors, resource leaks. Claude's caution is a feature. Real example, you have a Python function that processes user input. Upload it to Claude. Ask review this for security issues. What could go wrong? Claude finds the buffer overflow risk you missed. ChatGPT might miss it. Another real example, you have JavaScript code with a subtle memory leak. Claude spots it. ChatGPT generates code that works, but does not identify the leak. When not to use Claude for code, if you just need a quick script, ChatGPT is faster. If you need boilerplate, ChatGPT generates it instantly if you need a one-liner fix. When to use Claude refactoring security review. Understanding legacy code. Complex algorithms explaining why code breaks. Technical documentation. Claude excels at explaining technical concepts. Ask Claude to explain how OAuth works, why JWT tokens are useful, how to structure a microservices architecture. Claude's explanation is thorough and assume intelligence. Real use case, you are debugging a production issue. The error message is cryptic. Upload the error log and the relevant code to Claude. Ask what is happening here and how do I fix it. Claude reads both, synthesizes, and explains. Often faster and better than Stack Overflow. Another use case, you're learning a new technology. Instead of tutorials, ask Claude to explain the concept, then ask follow-up questions. Claude iterates with you. Limits. Claude cannot run code interactively like ChatGPT's code interpreter. For data analysis and quick testing, ChatGPT is better. For production code quality and understanding, Claude is better. Cost difference. Claude Opus costs $18 per million input tokens. GPT-4o costs $8. Claude is more expensive. Use Claude for code that matters. Use ChatGPT for throwaway scripts. This is future ledger. If this changes how you pick tools for code, subscribe.